Good morning. Today we will delve into the crucial topic of emergency preparedness with a focus on go bags. As security personnel, being equipped with the right tools and knowledge during emergencies is paramount to ensuring the safety and well-being of others. Emergency preparedness with go bags, essential training for security guards, is the topic I'm going to impart to you. And here is an itemized list of the contents typically found in a go bag designed for emergency purposes along with their intended usage. Number 1, the first aid supplies used to provide immediate medical assistance in case of injuries or emergencies includes bandage, antiseptic wipes, gauze, adhesive tape, pain relievers, and other medical essentials. Number 2, flashlights. Provides illumination in low light or dark conditions during emergencies, essential for navigating dark areas, signaling for help, or assessing surroundings. Number 3, study whistles. Used to attract attention and signal for help in situations where verbal communication may be limited or ineffective. A high-pitched whistle can be heard over long distance. Number 4, emergency contact list. Contains important contact numbers such as emergency services, family members, colleagues, and other key individuals. Facilitates quick communication and coordination during crisis. Number 5, energy boosting snacks. Provides quick and easily accessible nutrition to maintain energy levels during emergencies or situations where access to food may be limited. Help sustain physical stamina. Number 6, PPE or personal protective equipment. Includes items like gloves, masks, goggles, and other protective gear to safeguard against potential hazards or contaminants. Essential for maintaining personal safety in emergency scenarios. Number 7, important document. Includes copies of essential documents such as identification, insurance information, medical records, emergency contacts, and any relevant personal documentation. Helps in accessing critical information quickly when needed. Each item in Go Bag serves a specific purposes and is crucial for ensuring preparedness and readiness during emergencies. Understanding the usage of these items and having them readily available can significantly enhance one's ability to respond effectively to unforeseen situations. In our conclusion, emergency preparedness is a critical aspect of a security guard's role, and GoBag serves as valuable tools in ensuring readiness during challenging situations. By equipping yourself with the necessary knowledge and resources, you can effectively respond to emergencies and protect those under your care. Stay prepared, stay safe. Remember, preparation is key in ensuring the safety and security of all individuals in times of crisis. Thank you for your dedication to keeping others safe and secure. This is F. Santos ng Munting Kalaman. Mabuhay po tayong lahat at ingat po tayong palagi.